Alright, here's what I'm making. I've got here some linguica. It's some sausage, comes from pork. Thinking I'm gonna make a mix here. Don't mind the mess. Green peppers, diced up. I got some eggs. I'm gonna dice up some onions, olive oil, just a cheap kind, because I'm using that to cook. Okay. Then I'm gonna use some broccoli, some asparagus, and put it all together and see what happens, right? Put it right on here with that sauce and all, don't matter. It's right down. And those little chunks there, they can remain. Because put them on the bottom here, and we are going to dump our egg. And we're going to make a scrambled egg with that. Okay? As you see. Be doing this with something else, not a fork, but and then there's our meal for breakfast. Alright, don't forget to clean off your stove, people. Soap and hot water, and then go with a rag, wipe everything off, dry, and there we have it.